Hello, I'm Paul Hutton, President and Wealth Manager of Hutton Wealth Management. Welcome to our new monthly series called The Top 5 and 5. This month, we're going to be discussing long-term care. Since many people over the age of 65 are expected to eventually need some level of long-term care, it only makes sense for us to have a better understanding of how long-term care works and what you can do to prepare for it financially. So what I want to do is examine 5 top questions regarding long-term care insurance. If you have other questions afterwards, feel free to get with us. We'd be happy to sit down with you individually to discuss your unique questions and concerns. Number 1, what is long-term care insurance? Long-term care, or as abbreviated sometimes LTC in all capital letters, is a type of insurance designed to cover long-term care services and support not covered by traditional medical insurance or Medicare. It can include a variety of benefits for individuals who need constant medical attention and or custodial care with daily activities like eating, bathing, or mobility in facilities from assisted living to full-time in-home custodial care to a private room in a nursing facility. Policies like this reimburse long-term care beneficiaries a daily amount for those services that are needed. Number 2, how much does all of this cost? Well, the cost of long-term care policy is based upon age, the desired benefit amount, and any additional benefits that you choose to include. That's why it's important to determine your long-term care needs and the level of protection before it becomes an emergency. The cost varies from state to state and region by region. Number 3, what are the long-term care funding options? Well, there are several options for long-term care, but the primary choice is between self-insurance or purchasing a long-term care policy. Self-insuring involves depending upon personal savings, investments to fund any long-term care expenses. A long-term care insurance policy can cover all levels of care from skilled care to custodial care to in-home assistance. That's pretty nice. Number 4, what are the pros and cons of long-term care insurance? Well, on the pro side, a long-term care policy can protect all of your assets. You won't need to dip into your retirement funds to cover the cost of care. On the con side, you need to make sure that you can be comfortable with the cost of the premiums. Number 5, how do you choose a long-term care policy that is right for you? First, make sure that you understand the limitations and the features of the policy. Second, take a close look at the type of care that's covered. Third, look at the total benefit. You don't want a policy that's going to run out of benefits, and you don't want to pay for something that you're not likely going to need. Considering a long-term care is the cornerstone in any financial plan, and there are many options to choose from based upon your financial situation and your unique needs. I would suggest that you let us sit down with you and discuss starting preparations for and reviewing, if you already have it in place, your potential long-term care needs. Remember, we're here to help you.